guys, I'm coming to y'all with this nice little special video. You know, when you do acrylic nails, you have dust flying, fingernails popping up, you know, and it's always good to protect your eyes. And the glasses that I wear is these right here. And you know what? I want to bling these out to make them look very nice. Don't look like they some medical glasses or anything. So basically that's what these are. I bought these from where you buy uniforms, like the smocks that the nurses and the doctors wear. And so I'm just going to put a little bling in there. What I did is wiped it down with alcohol. And actually they have a shine to it. If you don't see it on this side, I already buffed this side. You see the difference? This buffed on this side right here. And it's shiny on this side. So what I did was just took the shine off of it. And I'm only doing this part. I don't have to take the shine off right here at the top of the glasses. I'm just taking it off on this part of the glasses and on the side. I'm going to adhere rhinestones to these glasses, and I'm going to use gel to do that with. I don't think I want to use the super glue. The nail glue, I can use the nail glue, but I think I'm just going to do it like this. Okay, then after I buff that right there, I'll just wipe it with some alcohol just to get the debris off of it, the dust. You know, sometimes when I don't put these on, I have dust and stuff flying all in my eyes. My eyes start watering, and I just need to learn how to grab these all the time. When I'm in a rush, I forget about grabbing my glasses, and then I'm like, oh my goodness, I got some in my eyes. Where's my glasses? Okay, so I have an array of rhinestones right here, and I'm going to use the Candy Jelly Clear by enailcouture.com. I don't know if you can see that. And this gel is kind of thick. That's why I'm using this. I'm going to paint the trim of the glasses with this holographic by Artistic. And it's a soak-off gel nail color. It's very sheer, and I just want something to kind of bling those out a little bit. I'm going to use my pickup drill that I made. I do have a video on this. If anybody have questions, just look in my playlist and you can find it. Let's see if y'all can see that. Hollow 03030, and it's pretty much like a holographic, but it got like a gold tinge to it, but it doesn't show up gold on this blue. Hopefully it won't. I think blue and silver goes well together, so that's why I'm using all silver, and I'm using some kind of, I can't remember the name of these. These are 10s, and I have some 8s. I have some charm-like rhinestones. I'm not sure if I want to use these right here, or I want to use the dangle ones on the side of the glasses. I'm going to try to coordinate these in there as well. So we're going to see how that goes. But right now, first I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the trim of these glasses. Okay, like I said, I'm going to do a little bit at a time when it comes to the gel. So I'm going to start with this right here, and I'm just going to apply this. I just want to like a little shimmer, like a backdrop for my rhinestones. Going to start right into here. I'm not going to apply any rhinestones to here because I'm thinking about when I put it on my ears. I put it on my ears and see where it stops at. And basically, I'm going to start right here. This right here goes behind my ears, so I wouldn't put nothing there. But I am going to put a little bit of this there, but I'm not going to put any rhinestones on the stem. I'm going to cure that and just give it a little bit of shine. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and do the whole glasses, and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't finish the whole coat around the glasses. I put 2 coats of this, and also to seal in this to make it last longer, I put OPI X, this right here, very durable Exium Gel System by OPI. No scratches, no chipping, no nothing. I don't too much use that on top of gel polish because I find it chips. It chips. So I'll use my Young Nails top coat. And that's how it turned out. If it did have a tacky layer, I took the tacky layer off before I put the top coat on it. So it doesn't have a tacky layer. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to start at my temples right here and see what I want to put there. And I'm not sure if I want to use these right here or the little dangly ones, the little charm ones, they dangle. Not sure. Put that right there. And it dangles. I think that is so cute. I might use these instead of the Chanel. Even though this would look more nice for some glasses, make them look more designer than the dangling things. I think I might just go for this look right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use the dangles, y'all. Y'all might be saying, oh, I wish you would use the dangles. But I think I'm just going to use these at the temples. I think it looked more classic, look like it's more of a designer look glasses. So that's what I'm going to use. Going to apply a little bit of this. Like I said, it's kind of thick. It's not runny at all. It's not that runny. Just going to take a little bit. And I think I'm just going to put it right there at the temple. Just like that. Going to go ahead and cure that. For 60 seconds. Okay, that's how that looks. That's very pretty. I'm going to put some little small rhinestones right here. I think that's a tad bit too big, so I'm going to go small. I think I have some 3s or some 5s. I'm going to use those itty ones right there. Just going to pull out my little stash and use some 3s right here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side after I cure this. And make sure when you put the gel, you make sure you have this bent so when you do cure it, it won't stick. I think they turning out. That's the start of it. Now, what I want to do is go ahead and try to incorporate these right here and these rhinestones here. So I'm just going to give you a little view on how I'm going to do the outline of this. And I'm going to do it all the way around the whole frame. All the way around the whole frame. But this is how I'm going to start out. I'm going to make me like a little line here. And I'm just going to do little lines since, you know, everything is kind of small. And like I said, I'm going to stop right here at the end with this gel. I'm not sure if I want to use these. It's kind of bulky. You see how bulky that looks? I don't think it's kind of bulky, so I think I'm not going to use those. I think I'm going to do a line. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't even in frame when I did that. And I want to make sure that everything is kind of in the middle. And right here I'm going to do the bigger ones to the back. So what I'm going to do is a line. This gel is really thick to do this. They're not moving or anything. I wish I can do 3 or 4. But I can only do 2. One if I could put a small one in there. Now that's how that's going to look. And then like on the top I'm going to put since it's not moving, I'll put a dab here. I really want these blinged out, so dab there. Tap there. Uh-oh. That one, right? I gotta see about taking this off. And I'm trying not to get no gel on the stainless steel. And that's how that's going to look. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. And that's exactly how I'm going to do the other side. And that's how I'm going to do the front. Now that's totally cured. That is so pretty. Okay. I gotta remember try not to put no gel on this part, because if you cure it, you're gonna have to try to get that off. And I'm gonna do this kind of design all the way. I will not be doing that. We'll do the same thing right here. The two rhinestones right here. I'm gonna do this right here and right there, so it kind of coordinate with the end to the end. Alright, after I finish, guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I completed the glasses. There, it came out beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that sparkle. Alright guys, that'll do my DIY. I hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.